Good morning everyone. As in our previous video, we have discussed reaction of amines with alkyl halide, that is Gabriel-Thalamide reaction. Today we will discuss reaction of amines with nitrous acid. This is a very important reaction according to NEET and JEE exam, and questions we will discuss at the last of the video. So I request you to all, please stay connected and you should sit on your seat with your pen and notebook, as there is no meaning of organic reactions without practice. So let's move on. Today's reaction, this is our sixth name reaction, reaction of amines with nitrous acid. You can say HNO2. Very important reaction. Name of this reaction is diazotization reaction. We will discuss reaction mechanism step by step. You should write with me. First we discuss as usual main points of the reaction. Very first main point of the reaction is reaction takes place at 0 to 5 degrees Celsius in presence of freshly prepared nitrous acid. We will prepare nitrous acid freshly. Nitrous acid. Second point, formation of diazonium salt. Diazonium salt. This is the backbone molecule of organic chemistry in reaction. Third one, this reaction includes primary amines. Basically you can say primary aromatic amines as reactant molecule. Reactant molecule. Okay, you can take screenshot of this, and these are the main points. You should note it down in your notebook. Now first we discuss simple reaction. After that we move on mechanism of the reaction. Reaction of amines with diazonium salt, NaNO2 plus HCl. This will generate HNO2. We will discuss in reaction mechanism how this mixture generate HNO2. First we write simple reaction. N2 positive, Cl negative. That is formation of alkyl diazonium salt. Salt, you all know, these are solubilized in the reaction mixture. If you treated this molecule with water, this is simple ionic reaction. H is delta positive and OH is delta negative. Formation of alcohol. That means you can prepare alcohol by preparing alkyl diazonium salt. And removal of ROH, removal of N2 gas and HCl molecule. There is less meaning of side product in the organic chemistry. You should focus on the major product during the reaction progress. Now we will reach reaction mechanism. Let's move on towards reaction mechanism. Reaction mechanism consists of alkyl diazonium salt formation RNH2. In place of R you can take aryl molecule for best progress of the reaction. And in presence of NaNO2 and HCl, how product formation takes place. First we discuss sodium nitrite and HCl molecule. This is sodium nitrite and this is our HCl. What will generate after mixing these two molecules? Formation, this is ionic reaction general, Na positive, NO2 negative, H positive and Cl negative. Positive negative ionic reaction, positive negative combine with each other and formation of new molecule, new product. What will form here? This is Na, this is Cl, formation of NaCl plus HNO2 that we will need it in reaction mechanism. This is known as nitrous acid, HNO2. We can represent HNO2 as in this way, N double bond O and H, because in reaction mechanism we have to check our bonding molecule, we have to check our bond formation, we have to concern about our lone pair and bond pair. Now here in very first step of the reaction mechanism, this is our freshly prepared nitrous acid, and this nitrous acid when treated with H positive comes from HCl. So simple. Here availability of lone pair on oxygen atom, it will donate its electron and protonation takes place. Formation of N double bond O positive, because oxygen is donating its electron to the hydrogen which is electron deficient in nature. Formation of H and H here. I am telling you again, this is your nitrous acid. In presence of acid, formation of this kind of molecule, and this is highly unstable molecule because positive charge is present on electronegative atom. That's why it will leave the system with its electron density, and formation of new molecule which I am representing here. This one, after this one, formation of N double bond O positive, because these electron density shift to oxygen atom, and here removal of water molecule. In organic chemistry, wherever O positive HH system becomes, then it will becomes as a good living group and it will leave the system. Now focus on this molecule. You can represent this molecule in this way, NO positive, or you can represent this molecule in this way, N positive double bond O. I am clearing your every step, and you can name this molecule as nitrosonium ion. Beauty of this molecule is it will works as electrophile. But what you think about electrophile, electron deficient? However, it is electron deficient, but it is not so much electron deficient, as here somewhat resonance also takes place, but it during the reaction progress it will works as a electrophile. Now in second step, reaction of amines, primary amines you can say, with nitrous acid, with nitrosonium ion. Here lone pair present, it will shift electron density to electrophilic nitrosonium ion, and generation of R N positive, because nitrogen is donating its electron to the next nitrogen atom, and H here as it is this H1 and this H also same, and formation of bond of this nitrogen with this nitrogen atom. This I am writing here N double bond O. Now in this molecule nature and positive charge is present on electronegative atom. That's why hydrogen will shift its electron to this nitrogen atom, and removal of H positive and generation of R N H and double bond O. This type of molecule here. You can also represent this molecule in this way. This is H and this is N double bond O. Why I am representing this molecule in this standard form? Because as this molecule is formed during the reaction progress, this molecule undergoes tautomerization. Tautomerization. You didn't think that tautomerization only takes place in carbonyl compound. For tautomerization, double bonded oxygen atom besides hydrogen atom is present, then tautomerization can easily takes place. Shifting of hydrogen atom, electronegative atom simple, this becomes R and double bond N, and this is OH. H will shift here with its electron, and double bond electron density shift to this nitrogen atom, and generation of this molecule takes place in the reaction. Now you carry on with your pen, and you should note down each and every step is neat and clear. Now we are reaching to our last step of the reaction. This molecule R N double bond N O OH. Acid is present in our reaction. Reaction takes place 0 to 5 degrees Celsius. Means you have to take nitrous acid ice cold water, because if you progress the reaction at your standard condition at your room temperature, then removal of nitrogen gas takes place and no formation of diazonium salt in the reaction. But we need diazonium salt, and we are going to prepare diazonium salt. That's why we need 0 to 5 degrees Celsius, or you can say 273 to 278 Kelvin temperature. Now this step, this becomes R N double bond N O positive H and H. Very simple step, as we have done in very first step of this reaction. Oxygen, it will donate its electron to the hydrogen, which is electrodeficient, and formation of O positive H. Again formation of O positive H, removal of the water molecule. I have already told you where formation of O positive H in the reaction mixture, then removal of water takes place. Now it becomes R N double bond N positive. We are very close to our last molecule, as this is nitrogen lone pair, which is stabilized by resonance, and formation of R N positive triple bond N, and if H positive is present, then Cl is also present in our reaction mixture. Formation of Rn positive triple bond NCl negative. This is our desired molecule. You can represent this molecule, or in many books this molecule is represented by Rn2 positive Cl negative. If I am writing benzene in place of R, if I will write benzene in place of R, that is aryl group, it can be represented as N positive triple bond NCl negative. For our further reaction, tomorrow we will discuss this. This is our reactant molecule. This must be our reactant molecule, and we will further increase our reaction system by taking this molecule as a reactant molecule. This is known as your benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt. You can say BDS, benzene diazonium salt. Okay, this whole is the reaction mixture consists of benzene diazonium salt reaction in ice cold water. Therefore, temperature condition must be maintained during the reaction progress. No removal of N2 gas will take place if we are taking ice cold system, and generation of our desired molecule during the reaction mixture. Okay, this is our diazotization reaction mechanism. Hope so far you have understood the reaction mechanism, and if you have any doubt or if you have any concerned concept, you can ask on my WhatsApp number. This is my WhatsApp number. Or tomorrow we will discuss Sandmeyer reaction and Gattermann reaction, continuing this molecule, and this is very important molecule, benzene diazonium salt. Lots of reaction mechanism takes place by this molecule, and this molecule is very important in our conversion system. When we have to convert one molecule to the another, this molecule becomes very crude molecule, very important molecule. So you have to note down. Okay, thanks a lot.